Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, I released a new YouTube video today and I hope you check out my YouTube video. It's about life in Jamaica. I've been in Jamaica and I went to a restaurant in the grill. It was really good. You have to catch the restaurant to see what it's like. It's a hibachi type restaurant, so you know the pew fire and all of that. And don't mind my nails. And I talk about dating in Jamaica as well. I kind of put it in my business just a little bit. More, no bars. Just a little bit, just a little bit. What else did I do in the video? I played some tennis.
The score is 2-0.
Have you ever played tennis?